Welcome to AI Business Essentials Part 1, where we'll be looking at how you can get started using ChatGPT at work. It's no secret that ChatGPT and other AI tools are revolutionizing the ways that we do business, including how we create content, how we do research and analysis, how we develop software, and more. In this course, we're going to take a look at everything that you need to know in order to use ChatGPT effectively. We'll start by looking at artificial intelligence in general and discussing the key concepts you need to know. If you've never used ChatGPT before, don't worry. We'll show you how to set up a free account, and we'll discuss the differences between the free and paid ChatGPT options. We'll take a tour of the ChatGPT interface, including some features that many people aren't aware of. We'll go through many of the terms you need to know, as well as the risks, and then we'll dive into the basics of how to get ChatGPT to give you the results you want with basic prompt engineering. From there, we're going to take a deeper look at 5 specific uses for ChatGPT in business, including content creation, research and analysis, customer service, translation, and software development. But in each lesson, we're also going to be exploring different prompt techniques. So even if you think a particular lesson might not apply to you, I encourage you to go through it anyway. In the content creation lesson, we'll talk about style, tone, and audience prompts, as well as output format. In research and analysis, we'll also be looking at token limits, guardrails, hallucinations, and table output, as well as the chain of thought prompt. As we go through the customer service lesson, we'll be using one of the most powerful prompting techniques, the role-play prompt. In the translation lesson, we'll talk about the pros and cons of using ChatGPT to work in multiple languages. And in the software development lesson, we'll use another powerful prompting technique, the interviewer prompt. In our last section, we'll explore advanced prompt engineering features such as temperature, frequency penalty, and burstiness. And we'll do that in both ChatGPT and the OpenAI Playground. Then we'll look at ChatGPT plugins and other large language models that you should be aware of, including Bing Chat, Bard, and Claude. And in our last lesson, we'll look at how you can continue to grow your skills with ChatGPT and other AI tools. This course is part 1 of our AI Business Essentials series. And in future courses, we'll explore using AI for working with images and integrating AI into your regular Office applications with Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're brand new to the idea of using AI tools like ChatGPT, or if you've already been using it regularly, we've designed this course to help you leverage artificial intelligence to be more successful and productive at work. Let's get started with an introduction to today's artificial intelligence tools and the power of ChatGPT.